In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to uninstall League of Legends. First, click the search icon below. Then search for Control Panel. Look for the programs. Then click the Uninstall a program below it. Next, it will show here all of the programs installed on your computer. Simply look for the League of Legends app and right-click on it. Click the Uninstall button that will show up. After that, follow the uninstallation process, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.